SSD replacement on Dell Latitude 5490 laptop. Thank you, Sir Mark, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The reason for this replacement is that the old SSD won't detect anymore. Upon checking to another PC, it indeed doesn't read. Replacing a dead SSD with a new one is a good decision. It restores your laptop's functionality, improves performance, and enhances reliability compared to traditional hard drives. Additionally, SSD replacements are relatively easy, and you can benefit from faster boot times, quicker file access, and better overall system speed. SSD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.